everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we are talking about Gqeberha the Empire. Did you know that's the lady who portrayed Unathi's character, who her real name is Mfenyana'S, is Zenande, Mfenyana'S biological sister? Well, if you didn't know, they are siblings guys, and Zenande is her older sister. It's not the first time we saw Ake on our screen. In 2017, Ake made an appearance on hit telenovela The Queen, where she was acting as a widowed like his wife. Akenime is also a reality show star, as she was part of Tropica Island of Treasure Gqeberha, paired up with the actress Mpiwe Ngema. The rising star is also a gym fanatic who is always pushing to get the perfect body that she has, and she always shares her fitness routines online. Well guys, we are looking forward to see her on this new story Gqeberha, and we want to see how their storyline unfold, as she is currently married to a polygamist Luzuko, yet sleeping and dating his son Tulani. Well guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Did you see any resemblance between Zenande kanye no Akenime, her sister?